I'm Kathy and I'm from Naperville Central High School.
And I'm Elena, I'm from Naperville North High School.
So this program has been such an unreal experience. It's so unique in the fact that, well, it's engineering, but it's also catered towards women, which I think is a great opportunity for us to diversify the field.
One very special thing about this program, I think, is that the TAs and the classes, they're directed so that we are encouraged to express our creativity all the time. We're always encouraged to go and branch off and make our own ideas, which is really inspiring, I think.
One of my favorite parts of this program is definitely the field trips. We've learned a lot about networking and meeting lots of professionals and learning about their experiences and struggles.
They're very interesting because the corporations that we've went to, they kind of set it up so that we can see all parts of their corporation. So for example, at Knowles, they gave us a tour of their space. They also showed us several demonstrations about really cool tech that they were working on, and it was very interesting.
Yeah, I think Knowles was one of my favorite field trips because we had a panel of just all women engineers, and it was super empowering to see all of them in front of us and hear about their experiences.
Another exciting field trip that we went on was to Motorola. I think that what really stood out from there was this one man who gave us a tour of and explained how their radios work and how you can implement that into real life, like crime scenarios or safety scenarios to make things better for consumers. So that was extremely interesting, and afterwards we got to eat lunch directly and talk to a professional there that we talked to, and it was just really insightful to ask questions about their job and learn about their everyday experience. But I think what's really important is that in this program we were able to explore different careers in engineering and all kinds of sides. Whether we liked it or not, we now know about it, and that's really important. Something else that's important about this program is that we're not just working in the classroom, we're also friends outside the classroom, every single one of us. We all get along because we share an interest in STEM, and that's really valuable because we can have all these connections and all these friends that we can reach out to later who share interests as us.
Overall, we gained a pretty wholesome experience throughout this program, and it's all thanks to the awesome TAs and of course Elsa and our sponsors too.